Magandang hapon po ng November 14, 2023, Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng November 14, 2023, Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 14, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 128 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 124 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, November 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for November 14, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.